Hello and welcome to Assignment on Click, your trusted partner in academic excellence and learning support. In this short and insightful session, we'll be discussing one of the most fundamental topics in Python programming, variables and data types. Whether you are just beginning your journey in Python or strengthening your core concepts, this knowledge forms the foundation for all your future learning. In Python, a variable is essentially a name that refers to a stored value. Think of it as a label attached to a piece of data that allows the programmer to reuse and manipulate that data throughout the code. For example, when we write name is equal to Alice or age is equal to 20, we are assigning values to the variables name and age. One of the convenient features of Python is that it is dynamically typed, meaning you do not need to specify the data type when creating a variable. Python automatically identifies the type based on the value assigned. Speaking of data types, Python supports several built-in types that help us manage and manipulate data effectively. These include int for integers, float for decimal numbers, str for string or textual data, and bool for Boolean values such as true and false. In addition, Python provides data structures like list, tuple, dictionary, and set to handle collections of data. To identify the data type of any variable, we use the type function. For example, type age would return class int, indicating that the variable holds an integer value. Understanding variables and data types is not only important for writing correct Python code but also crucial when you move on to more advanced topics like conditional statements, loops, functions, or even data science and machine learning applications. Assignment on Click. We are committed to helping students and professionals build strong foundations in Python and other programming languages to ensure academic success and professional growth. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. And remember, whenever you need assistance with your assignments or technical learning, Assignment on Click is here to support you every step of the way.